Struggling to find the export button in Otter.ai? Learn how to export any conversation in under 20 seconds. I'll walk you through 6 simple steps to save your Otter.ai transcript as a file. Start by navigating to the Otter.ai homepage, where you'll see all your conversations listed. Then, scroll through that list and click on the conversation you want to export to open it up. Now, look to the top right of that open conversation and click the 3 dots to reveal the menu. From that menu, go ahead and click Export. That's the option you'll need to begin the export process. Then, click on Export again. That's the second time, to keep the process moving. Finally, click on Continue to Export to wrap things up. And you're all done. Happy exporting! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.